Regulators. You regulate any stealing of his property, we're damn good to you. But you can't be any geek off the street. Gotta be handy with the steel, if you know what I mean. Earn your keep.
It was a clean white print, a clean white print. She was in the streets, trying to console some some violence, violence, violence. She was on just in the east side of the middle east. She trying to find Mr. Warren G. Seen a couple of girls, ain't no need to tweet, but I'm searching for something 213. So I hit some that on 213 with some funny shit we got. So I said, let's do this. I checked out the room and said, what's up? Some others put some in, so I said, this is the first week with me. They took us looking so hard, they straight hit the curve. Want to bigger, better things than some horny tricks. I see my homie and some suckers all in his mix. I'm getting jacked, I'm breaking myself. I can't believe they taking more as well. They took my rings, they took my Rolex. I looked at the brother, said, damn, what's next? They got my homie hemmed up and they all around. Can't none of them see him, they going straight pound for pound. They wanna come up real quick before they start to clown. I been pull out my strap and lay them busters down. They got guns to my head, I think I'm going down. I can't believe it's happening in my own town. I glance at her and I see my homie. 16 in the clip and 1 in the hole. Nate Dogg is about to make some bodies turn cold. Now they dropping and yelling, it's a tad bit late. Nate Dogg and Warren G had to regulate.
Ese drag, Ahí. Gerak.
I'm swinging into a whole new era. G-Funk, step to this, I tell ya. Funk on a whole new level. The rhythm is the bass of the bass in trouble. Chords, strings, brains, melody, funk. If you know like I know, step to this. It's the G-Funk era, punked out the gangster. If you smoke like I smoke, you high like every day. And if your ass is a buster to a regulate.
İstiyoruz ki lavasını sen.
Bak bir divanı ver.
خلاص اللي يعرف.
Kaç kasar?
أقول لي
بتجي هنا بتجي
ماشي لاستيك. وعنه.
لو هذه مصريان